10 early signs of kidney damage. Don't ignore these. Your kidneys work quietly, but when they're in trouble, they send small warning signs. Ignore them, and you might face serious health problems. Today, I'll share 10 early signs of kidney damage you should never ignore. Number 1. Frequent urination at night. If you find yourself waking up multiple times at night to urinate, it could be a sign your kidneys aren't filtering waste properly. Number 2. Foamy or bubbly urine. Bubbles or foam in urine may mean protein is leaking into it, an early sign of kidney trouble. Number 3. Blood in urine. Pink, red, or cola-colored urine can indicate kidney damage or infection. Never ignore this symptom. Number 4. Swelling in feet, ankles, and hands. When kidneys can't remove excess fluid, swelling or puffiness can appear in your legs, ankles, and even hands. Number 5. Persistent fatigue. Kidney issues can lead to anemia, leaving you tired, weak, and low on energy, even after rest. Number 6. Dry, itchy skin. Dry, itchy skin may be caused by imbalances in minerals and nutrients that healthy kidneys usually regulate. Number 7. Difficulty concentrating or brain fog. Toxin buildup from poor kidney function can make it hard to think clearly or concentrate. Number 8. Poor appetite or metallic taste. Kidney problems can cause waste to build up in your blood, leaving a metallic taste in your mouth and reducing appetite. Number 9. Puffiness around your eyes. If you notice constant puffiness around your eyes, it could be due to protein leakage from the kidneys. Number 10. High blood pressure. Kidneys help regulate blood pressure. If they're damaged, blood pressure can rise, and high BP can worsen kidney damage in return. Your kidneys rarely complain until it's too late.